Hi, my name is Justice. This is a digression from what I normally show and teach on my channel, but I get frustrated by this, and so I thought I would give you a quick demonstration of how to send stuff on PayPal without spending a ton of money on fees, which, again, drive me bonkers. Okay, so here, send money. You can do this on your phone. So what you need to do is a couple things. This is going to be very, very quick. You need to send the money from the same currency to the same currency. It will transfer for them on its own. You don't need to send it in yen or in Taiwanese dollars or whatever. So here we are going to choose USD. Let's choose an amount of $2,000. I'm going to choose continue. I hope I don't accidentally send this money. You can do the PayPal balance or your connected checking account from your bank. Both of these are going to keep a $5 $4.99 fee. Click next. Sending to a friend. You can have this set up by default. You need to select this. Now here's the deal. As a Christian, I struggled with this and it was embarrassing. You know, it's like, this is something I'm like, okay, I'm a pretty good person, but when I pay through PayPal, I don't send it to friends and family. When it's just friends and family, I do it to everybody. You know, and felt like really guilty. Not really guilty, but like I felt kind of bad about it. Like I don't want to lie anywhere in my life. So this was a frustration for me. I'm like, okay, it's a business transaction, so I have to do it as a business transaction. And I was paying like $100 for a service. And that's the thing that's important to know, is that you're paying for a service. If you name the service friends and family, and then people feel guilty about choosing that if it's a business transaction, they're buying some service or something from somebody else, or they're buying a product. Like, well, technically that's a business transaction, so I should choose business. No, that's not how it works. So with PayPal, there are two services. One is secured and one is unsecured. And I might be using these words wrong, but I think that you guys will understand what I mean when I say that. So if you use the business option for sending money, then what you get is a more fraud and scam protection. So if it gets sent, they scam you, they rip you off, PayPal will help you get your money back, or they will cover that expense. They provide you with some extra tools to recover money that's stolen or fraud. For the friends and family, they don't do that. So what you need to do to not pay a fee is transfer from the same currency to the same currency. Choose friends and family. That is okay. It just means that you don't have as many tools to get the money back if something goes wrong. And PayPal already takes care of, did you send the money to the other person? They have to do that part correct. So don't be concerned like, okay, well, what if the money disappears in transit over the internet? That's their problem. That's what they do. That's what they're supposed to do. So that's covered. Don't worry about that part. This way, you're paying a $4.99 fee, and the other person is actually getting the amount of money that they're supposed to get. Not here, it would be like $2,000 minus $90. That's not $2,000. Like, the people you're sending the money to are not going to be super thrilled that they don't have the correct balance. And then what are you doing? You're guessing what the fee is, and then you're like, okay, well, I'm going to add $100 because I'm not sure, and I just want to make sure that they're getting paid the full amount. So this is the way I prefer to do it. If you know the person and you're not worried about getting scammed, if you feel comfortable sending this person money, send it as friends and family from the same currency to the same currency, and use either your linked checking account, not your debit card, not your credit card, not PayPal credit. All of those will charge you a significant fee. Your linked checking account, your PayPal balance, and then make sure that everything else is lined up the way that I said. If it's the first time that you're sending someone money, send them $1. Don't send them the whole 2,000. Send them $1 first and make sure that they get it, so that there's not like a typo in the email and some random schmo is getting like $2,000. It's like, yay, it's Christmas. So, okay, that's my PayPal rant and how to save money when you're doing a PayPal transaction. Again, totally different than the normal content I have on this channel, but you can still subscribe. That would be fine. If you like this video, again, hit the like button and share it. All right, thanks. Until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.